Hi, kindergarten. Today for phonics, we're going to review our sounds. We're going to introduce a new special sound and then go over our special sounds in the cue words. So we're going to do this worksheet today. You had it in your folder if you want to go over it with me. We're going to say A says ah, 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 ah. B says b, 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 b. C says k, 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 k. D says d, 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 d. E says e, 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 e. F says f, 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 f. G says g, 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 g. H says h, 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 h. I says I, 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 I. J says j, 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 j. K says k, 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 k. L says l, 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 l. M says N says n, 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 n. O says ah, 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 ah. P says p, 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 p. Q says qua, 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 qua. R says like a bear would say S says s, s, s. T says t, 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 t. U says V says v, 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 v. W says w, 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 w. X says x, x, x. Y says y, y, y. And Z says z, z, z. Remember, our short vowels say a, I, a. But if there are two vowels in a word, these will have their long sounds, and they'll say A, E, I, O, U for their long vowels. All right, I'm going to introduce a special sound. We have one today, and it is sp, sp, as in spade. And a spade is like a tiny shovel that you would use in a garden. Sp, 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 as in spade. Let's read some on the back. We have sp, two vowels, ain, Spain. My friends live in Spain. Sp, two vowels, oak, spoke. I spoke to my sister yesterday. Sp, spine. The spine is the bones that go down your back. Sp, L, spell. Will you please spell the word cat? Sp, in, spin. I would like to spin the spinner on like a game, like on the life game, spin. Or I would like to spin in circles. Sp, ought, spot. There's a spot at circle next to me. Spot. Alrighty, let's look at some other words and circle our vowels and mark our vowels and circle our special sounds using this new special sound. Sorry guys, still working on computer. There we go. All right. Let's go ahead and go up here. Our special sound is sp. One vowel says I, l, sp, ill, spill. Please don't spill your drink. Let's circle our special sounds. Mark our vowels. Sp, and, spend. Circle our special sound. Oh, here's a bonus sound. Mark our vowels. Sp, ek, spec. There's a speck of glitter in my eye. Circle our special sounds. Mark your vowels. Sp, oak, spoke. Can you use a sentence with the word spoke? Let's circle our special sounds. Mark our vowels. Sp, ought, spot. And the last one is sp, in, spin. Can you make a sentence with spin? All right, guys, the last thing that we are going to do is review all of the sounds so far out of their special words. So, gull as in glue, full as in flake, k as in duck, e as in me, o as in go. Per as, nope, this one, the yellow one is A as in pray. Y says I as in fly, fly. Fur as in frog. Pull as in plane. St as in stop. Tur as in train. Sh as in ship. As in thick, and th as in this. Coal as in clock. It has a bonus. Bull as in block. Burr as in bride. This one is the, oop, there it is, the PR says purr as in pray. Dur as in drum. Sm as in smoke. Sk as in skate, sk as in scat, and sp as in spade. When you guys are reading along, or if you just need something to do, go through these words or make up some words and see how many gull words you can come up with. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye.